Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we are going to fix a common and frustrating problem. Your Keurig K-Café SMART frother won't start. You press the button, and absolutely nothing happens. No light, no sound, and no delicious foam for your coffee. Before you get too worried, this is usually a very easy fix. We will walk through the most common solutions step by step to get your frother working again. First, let's cover the absolute basics. Check that the frother base is plugged in firmly to the wall outlet. Sometimes an outlet can fail, so try plugging a different device into it, or move the Keurig to an outlet you know works. Also, ensure the frother cup is sitting correctly on the power base. It connects with a magnet, so you should feel it snap gently into place. Wiggle it slightly to make sure it's flat and secure. Second, the frother must detect the small whisk inside the cup. This little whisk is also magnetic and sits on a post at the bottom of the cup. If it's not there or isn't seated correctly, the machine will not start as a safety measure. Take the whisk out, make sure it's clean, and place it back on the post. You should feel it connect. Third, and this is the most likely culprit, we must clean the electrical contacts. Look closely at the power base where the cup sits. You will see 3 small, silver, spring-loaded pins. Now, flip over your frother cup and look at the bottom. You will see 3 corresponding silver metal rings. If any moisture, coffee drips, or dried milk residue gets on these pins or rings, it will block the electrical connection. Take a soft, slightly damp cloth and carefully wipe down the 3 pins on the base. Then, do the same for the 3 rings on the bottom of the cup. The most critical part of this step is to then use a dry cloth to make sure all 6 contact points, the 3 pins and the 3 rings, are completely dry. A bad connection here is the number 1 reason these frothers fail to start. Fourth, check your milk level. Inside the cup, you will see a min fill line and a max fill line. The frother has sensors and may not start if the liquid is below the minimum or above the maximum line. Be sure you are using the correct max line for either frothing or just heating. Finally, if it's still not working, try a hard reset. Unplug the entire Keurig machine from the wall. Wait for a full minute to let the internal electronics reset. Then, plug it back in and try again. Hopefully, one of these steps got your frother spinning. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you fix your machine, please support the channel by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more helpful tips. Let us know in the comments which trick worked for you.